Breaking the Curse, a guide to understanding and overcoming challenges. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring the phrase, breaking the curse. This intriguing expression is not only popular in storytelling but also in real-life scenarios. So, grab a notebook, and let's unravel the mystery behind this compelling phrase together. The phrase, breaking the curse, refers to the act of ending a series of bad luck or overcoming a long-standing problem that seems almost impossible to get rid of. It's like a dark cloud that has been hanging over someone or something for a long time, and finally, the sun shines through. This can apply to personal challenges, sports teams, businesses, and various other situations. While the exact origin of breaking the curse is hard to pin down, it is deeply rooted in folklore and mythology where curses were believed to be malevolent spells or hexes cast by witches, gods, or supernatural beings. Breaking such a curse often required heroic efforts, magical objects, or a significant act of virtue or bravery. In modern contexts, the phrase has taken on a more metaphorical meaning, representing the struggle against seemingly insurmountable odds. Breaking the curse has been a recurring theme in movies, literature, and sports. For instance, the famous Curse of the Bambino, that haunted the Boston Red Sox baseball team for 86 years until they won the World Series in 2004. Similarly, in movies and books, characters often face curses that affect their destiny, and breaking the curse becomes their ultimate goal, symbolizing triumph over adversity. This phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. You might hear it in conversations about overcoming personal struggles, such as breaking the curse of procrastination or a family's cycle of poverty. It's also common in discussions about teams or organizations striving to overcome historical shortcomings or failures. In conclusion, breaking the curse is a powerful expression that speaks to the human experience of facing and overcoming difficult challenges. Whether it's in stories or our daily lives, breaking a curse symbolizes a moment of victory, resilience, and transformation. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase and inspired you to think about the curses you've broken in your own life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.